Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. In this video, we will do a very interesting activity. We will do water pouring activity. Let's start. For this activity, we want 2 bowls. Fill 1 bowl with water and a sponge. This is a fine motor skills activity. It's increase power of a hand. We will do this activity with full hand, not with index finger, middle finger and thumb, with full hand. And this is an activity of hand and eye coordination. Let's start. Dip the sponge in water and shift the water in another bowl like this. Dip again. And shift it in another bowl. You can do this again and again like this. Yes. Dip the sponge and shift the water in another bowl. Dip the sponge and shift the water in another bowl like this. Do this activity until the bowl is full. With the help of sponge, we have shifted water one bowl to another bowl. Parents, please encourage the child to do this activity for their fine motor skills. Thank you. Have a nice day and bye.